Welcome to paradise. Today we're taking you on a tour of the ultimate modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area. If you've been dreaming of creating a stylish, functional, and laid-back outdoor oasis, this video is for you. Let's dive into the elements that make this space truly special. The centerpiece of this tropical outdoor space is the outdoor kitchen, featuring top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including a built-in grill, refrigerator, and even a pizza oven. This kitchen is perfect for cooking up everything from fresh seafood to your favorite grilled dishes. The stone countertops and natural wood finishes tie in the tropical vibe, blending luxury with nature. Right next to the kitchen, we have this stunning al fresco dining area. With a large, sturdy wooden dining table surrounded by comfortable chairs, it's the perfect spot to enjoy meals with friends and family. The canopy overhead provides shade and shelter, keeping you cool and comfortable even during the hottest days. No tropical space is complete without lush greenery. Here we've added a variety of tropical plants like palms, ferns, and bougainvillea to bring color and life to the area. Hanging planters and cascading vines give the space a sense of lushness, making it feel like you're dining in a hidden jungle retreat. Lighting is key to setting the right mood. Soft ambient lighting, like string lights and lanterns, adds a magical glow as the sun sets. This creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere for evening dinners, cocktail parties, or just relaxing under the stars. One of the standout features of this outdoor kitchen is the stylish bar area. With comfortable stools and a sleek built-in bar, this is the perfect spot to mix cocktails and entertain guests. Tropical-inspired drinkware, along with fresh fruit garnishes, brings the island vibes straight to your home. For ultimate relaxation, we've created cozy seating areas throughout the space. Plush outdoor sofas, accent chairs, and comfy pillows make this the ideal spot to unwind with a drink in hand or to have a casual conversation. Whether you're entertaining or simply lounging, this space is designed for comfort. This modern tropical space blends contemporary design with natural elements. From the sleek concrete flooring to minimalist furniture, every detail has been carefully chosen to enhance both function and beauty. Geometric patterns in the cushions, rugs, and decor pieces bring a sophisticated edge to the tropical atmosphere. Whether you're cooking, dining, or simply relaxing, this modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area provides the perfect escape right in your backyard. With the right combination of style, comfort, and tropical charm, you can transform any space into your own private paradise. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing design ideas. See you in the next video.